And welcome back to another postbag. Unfortunately, there's nothing to be learnt from this cup. The vertical holder's gone, so just getting black bars. So it's postbag time. One postbag, one salt, one scalpel. Bit badly treated with a soldering iron when I was trying to cut ping pong balls with it. But, still sharp enough. Oh dear. A bag within a bag. I thought I might try using another camera I've got, or the other half's camera, and these seem to be popular. So I bought one of these off eBay, and with any luck I might have a better picture. So it's either going to be, well, it's either going to be my tired old GoPro, or a Canon camera that belongs to the other half. Anyway, quick postbag, one item. It's Christmas, can't afford items for postbag. Anyway, usual thing. If you like what you see, hit subscribe, ring the bell. Catch you on the next one. Well, this is the GoPro through the capture device. Just trying it out. Seems to work okay. This is a show my messy desk. You know, bits of the next working projects. A few bits of LED string, various rubbish, sweet shop box with bits in. Just a mess. Oh look, and a quick snippet of the what's happening with the Nixie clock. Still going on, still working on it. So I think the device works quite good. Plugged it in, no drivers to load, just stick it going. Job's a good one.